I'm Wylie Blanchard and you're watching Great Tech Pros. So you've spent a large amount of your career building your technical knowledge. You now stand on a strong foundation of degrees, certifications, recertifications, and real-world experience. The ability to get the job done and the know-how to solve technical issues when they arrive is well within your power. However, now something's changed. Perhaps your boss wants you in a higher position, or maybe you've been asked to explain a project to a large group of senior leaders, all of whom are not tech savvy. The only question here is, are you prepared for this leadership challenge? Well, let's be clear. None of this has been covered in a course for SQL, Java, or cloud computing. Those courses cover the hard skills, aka the technical stuff. Here, I'm going to give you 2 skills that will help you become the tech pro who's prepared for tech leadership. The first skill is displaying adaptability. Can you work with SQL and Oracle, and are you willing to embrace the programming languages that you're not familiar with? If you have the attitude of, I'm a Linux person and I'm not willing to work with any other operating system, then employers could perceive you as a closed-minded individual who's not a team player. Companies need individuals that are willing to go with the flow. That might mean that previously their data was managed via Oracle, but now they decided to use Hadoop. Know that employers normally use current staff members when making these types of transitions, placing them in the training needed to meet the company's goals. Your eagerness to jump on board makes you one of the individuals who's going to be on the list for that future team. Number 2 is effective communication, aka speaking to the end user, which for tech pros is the ability to explain technical concepts in ways which non-tech audiences can make informed and timely decisions. It's a skill that stands out because it's very rare. When talking to non-tech savvy individuals, which could be the customer, a large business group, or senior leaders, talk to them as if you're talking to the end user. Know that the end user doesn't really know what HTML or VB really is. And as long as everything works as it should, they don't really care to know. The end user only needs to feel that it meets their needs. Now, of course, you do have to provide them with the documentation showing that you've met their requirements, but it's equally important that they feel that their needs are met. You can convey that feeling by visually and verbally walking them through the key steps of the process, using metaphors and analogies in place of technical explanations so that you're painting a picture that they can relate to. Then, visually navigate them through the key features of the software using overhead projection. This will give the audience an opportunity to visually picture themselves using the tool as you're walking them through it, while also cementing everything that you've already told them. Remember, be an adaptive team player who's ready to change with the needs of the business, and explain technical concepts as if you're talking to the end user who you've helped feel that the tool meets their needs. As you develop these soft skills and then combine them with your technical skills, you'll find that you're up to the challenge of leadership opportunities, thus making you a stronger authority in your company and a tech pro who's in high demand. This is Great Tech Pros, and I'm Wylie Blanchard.